Hmm. Para mabutan ako sila. Hi, good morning. That's my sister and me, and we are at one of the department stores here in our area. As useless, yung sakyanan namin, yung car ko ay nag-alboroto, so she picked me up. She had to drive 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Para papunta dito, and then punta ako dun sa loob. After that, magla-lunch tayo.
Huh?
We're going to lunch after here.
Ito.
Ay, ilis-ilis po panalag sa ba pag may time. Kasi bihira lang akong makabihis kasi palagi pumupunta sa construction. Di ba, bakit magbibihis? But anyway, now it's a different story. Makeup din tayo pag may time. Very close to the line. But anyway, we'll talk to you later. Kain muna kami ng kapatid ko. And we are going to eat at Odie's. Yan, ito po yung favorite ko na restaurant. Let's go in. Oh yeah, I love that.
I want
You will pay that separate, na?
yeah.
For our dine-in, I'll take care of it. And then for takeout, she will take care of it.
Okay, do you want chicken with the California salad?
Yes.
Okay.
So this is what I like. Tapos na kaming kumain. Natanggap ako ng trabaho kasi matapos na yung bahay namin. Tapos ayaw ng asawa ko na mag-invest again. Ayaw ni Corey na mag-ano pa kami. Bili ng mga bahay tapos aayusin. Ayaw niya. Pagod na daw siya. So, yung capital namin ay napunta doon sa aming bahay ngayon na pinapatayo. Kaya wala na kaming capital. So, ano nang gagawin ko? Gusto ko sana mag-ano pa talaga. Construction ba? Kaya lang ayaw na ng asawa ko. So what I did is, okay, balik na ako sa corporate. Balik na ako trabaho. It's been a while. Ilang taon na, mga 7 years na hindi ako nakatrabaho sa, outside sa aking pagkakarpentera. But then, as what I've said earlier, ayaw na ni Cory ng mga ganitong mga trabaho. So, balik ako. Gusto ko sanang magbalik sa hospital because I used to work at a hospital before. Kaya lang napaka-stressful, guys. I mean, I'm already almost 60 years old. Ayoko na ng stress. So, ang second na trabaho na gustong-gusto ko talaga ay yung sa retail, cashiering sa mga department stores. Yan yung gustong-gusto ko talaga. Kasi parang naglalaro ka lang ba ng bahay-bahay pera. Like, ito yung change mo. Hi, kumusta? How are you? And I really enjoy that. So, sabi ko sa asawa ko na, sige, balik ako sa sa retail. Nang-apply ako kanina. Tapos natanggap ako. Oh my gosh. So, that would only mean one thing. I'll be working pero hindi ko na kaya talagang mag-work ng full-time. Yung sa akin lang ipabanjing-banjing para lang may magagawa ako. So, yun. Natanggap ako and I'm excited at the same time. Ewan ko. But the good thing is, as I've said, hindi na ako maka-work ng full-time. Kasi palaging sumasakit yung likod ko. So, may department store dito sa malapit sa amin na kailangan nila ng cashier. And yun, in-applyan ko kasi I really enjoy that kind of job. So, natanggap ako, guys. Wait, parang usap-usap lang kami ba nung manager. Tapos, yun, sabi niya, okay, iba-background check ka. Tapos, after that, there will be some steps that you need to do and then mag-start ka na. Okay, so back to the corporate world. I'm excited at the same time. Mamimiss ko yung pagkarpentera, guys. Mamimiss ko talaga. I like building houses. I like renovating. Tapos may isang property dito na nakita ko na for sale. Sirang-sira siya. But it can be remodeled. Kaya lang ayaw na. Ay, nako. But anyway, back to the previous chapter of my life when I worked at a corporate. But I would still do carpentry kasi yung bahay namin ngayon na pinapatayo, hindi pa natapos yung sa basement. So I can still continue working on that. So it's still a win-win situation. So thank you, Lord, for the opportunity. Everything is coming from the Lord. It's God's blessing. Part-time lang ako. Banjing lang talaga. Mga 4 hours per day lang. Tapos probably 3 days a week. So para lang makalabas ako sa bahay and become productive. Yeah.
I think that might be a little too much for them.
I know. I don't know why. Oh my gosh, your nose is dirty. Huh? I need to give you your medicine. Hey. I don't know where his medicine is. Can you say hi to my viewers?
Are you doing a live or not?
No.
No.
Alright, back to business. Nandito na ako ngayon sa aming bahay. But ang pangit ko dito sa yung orientation ng video ko is napakapangit. I don't know. Ganito naman talaga yung mukha ko. Ba't pa ako nagko-complain dyan? But good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight to all my friends near and far. This is Marilyn and Dusty. You look at the camera here. Oh, yan. Para makita yung ano mo. Marumi mong mukha. Ito talagang pusang ito is Mama's boy. Nako, kahit saan ako, palaging nakadikit.
They did. They silently brought it.
Ah, okay. Alright, so nangungumusta lang po and
What's that?
nandito na yung in order namin na pagkain. Kakain na kami. Thank you, Lord, for your provision. The Lord has been so gracious and faithful. It's been couple of days na hindi na ako naka-vlog kasi wala na akong ma-vlog. Hindi kami nakapunta dun sa bahay kasi yung car namin ay nag-i-NRT na naman. Thank you.
I got this from PetSmart earlier.
Oh. Bukas dadalhin ni Cory from 2 cars to 1 car to none. Tapos ang hirap kaya dito pag walang car, guys, kasi yung palengke namin 10 minutes drive. So mga ilang kilometro, probably around 15 kilometers yung palengke namin dito. So kailangan talagang may palengke talaga, grocery. Kailangan talagang may car because everything is so far. So yeah, dadalhin ni Cory ng asawa ko doon sa dealership tomorrow and see if there will be things that need to be done. Hopefully it's still under warranty. We've had this car for almost 10 years now, so I think time na talaga niya. Ha?
Over 10 now.
Really? Over 10 years na?
Yeah, 10 in 3 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, dude.
Something like that.
Are you showing off your vest to the people? But anyway, so thank you, Lord, for the provision and dude, sit down.
Map. W1. Map coordinate. W1.
So, ngumusta lang po and advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Sorry, pula yung mata ko kasi kagigising ko lang. And, hindi na kayo nakapunta doon sa kabilang bahay. Because as what I've said, we don't have a car. We might get another one, a new one. So, another expenses na naman. Dusty, can you look at the camera? Huh? Palagi talaga ito siya nakadikit sa akin. Tapos sinisipon. So, may supplements. Kasi naman, palagi niyang yung mga kapatid niya, palagi niyang kahit na may sipon, palagi niyang ginugroom ba, yung dinidilaan niya yung mga kapatid niya. So, yun, nahawa. But anyway, hopefully pag makatransfer na kami dun sa kabilang bahay, i-separate namin yung may sipon and yung wala. Yan lang po ang update sa buhay-buhay natin dito. As if may nanonood. But for those who have been watching my videos, yung mga ilan-ilan na mga kaibigan ko who have stayed committed to watching my videos, salamat, maraming salamat, maraming salamat po. And I don't know if this would be my last vlog for this year. Or magba-vlog pa ako, but yeah, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and let's thank the Lord for another year that He has given us, na okay pa rin tayo, nandito pa rin tayo sa mundo, and let's all be prepared for His coming, para pagkukuhinin niya tayo ay ready yung ating mga puso at damdamin. Alright, can you say hi? Oh, there's another cat. Oh, yan yung ano siponin. May sipo na palaging nakadikit din sa akin and oh my gosh. So yan lang po and thank you so much for watching. Enjoy and I pray that the Lord will bless you and keep you and provide all your needs. Most especially that you will experience the Lord's love, which is beyond measure if you only know. So salamat and God bless you all. Bye-bye.